Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Equaser. In this video we are going to use this TI-30XS scientific calculator to learn how to convert degree, radian and gradient angle. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's see how we can do angle conversion for degree, radian and gradient. So first let's specify the unit that you want to convert to. Let's go to degree, for example, mode, make sure it is degree. If not, we can select the angle that we want and press enter. That will be selected, that unit. Convert to a unit, you must be in that target unit. For example, if you want to convert 45 degrees to radian, first we must be in radian. Go to mode with the arrow to the right, enter and then clear to exit. Now we see our RAD here and type 45, second function, and this time we are using angle. Now in this screen we can select degree, minute and second. We press 1 or press enter. In this case we can press enter. So it says 45 degrees, just press equal and you will get the answer in terms of radian, pi over 4. If you want to toggle it, just do that. And let's say you want to convert 300 radians to degree. Target is degree. We are in radian. First select the degree, mode. It's already selected, enter, clear, and 300. Let's tell the calculator that this is radian, second function, angle, and go down. In this case we mentioned 4. You can press 4 directly to go to 4, or you can go with this arrow 4 and enter. Now it says 300 radian and press enter. This is the degree angle. So if we have 15 degrees, 18 minutes and 35 seconds, sexagesimal, let's say, let's enter this one, clear, 5, second function, angle, and select degree, 1, and then 18 for the minute, 18, second function, automatically this is 2, and then 3, 1, 2, 3. So for the second, we use 35, second function, and then 3. So 5 degrees, 18 minutes, and 35 seconds. Press enter to get decimal value. This is converted if you need it to. If you want to add 25 minutes and 36 seconds plus 7 degrees, 11 minutes and 20 seconds, keep in mind that this is missing degree. So you must enter it, otherwise the calculator will give you error. So this must be added first. Now let's do that. So 0 shift 1, 0 degree, 25 shift angle 2, and then 36 shift angle 3. Now we have that, plus 7, 11, 20. So 7 shift angle 1, 11 shift angle 2, and then 20 shift angle 3 and 3. So 7 degree, 11 minutes, 20 seconds, and that value have been added. Thank you for watching. This was the tutorial for this TI-30XS scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also if you have comment or question, post it below the video. Share the video. I appreciate it. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.